If you're a beginner guitar player and you want to learn some chords, or maybe you've been playing a while and you need a chord chart to help you out, well, stick around because you're in the right place. Welcome to Your Guitar Guide. You can get the downloadable beginner guitar chord chart PDF in the first link in the description, and that'll help you out. But I also have 3 chords for you if you want to stick around. I want to show you 3 chords to get you started, but if you're in a hurry and you just want to get the chord PDF, check the first link in the description for that. And for everyone else, if you want to learn these 3 chords to get you started, let's start with the C. And the first chord is C. Now when you're playing the C chord, you don't want to pick that 6th string. So don't hit that string when you're playing. You're going to have your first finger on the B string at the 1st fret, your second finger's on the D string at the 2nd fret, and your third finger's going to be on the 5th string at the 3rd fret. That's a C. Question of the day: what is the first chord you learned? Leave me a comment and tell me which chord was the first chord you learned. I'd love to know. Now for the next chord, let's learn a D. So when we're playing the D, you strum from the D string down. Your first finger's on the G string at the 2nd fret. Second finger is at the E string, 2nd fret. Third finger is going to be on the B string at the 3rd fret. Strum from the D string down, which is the 4th string. Hey, if I've given you any value today, can you hit the like button and hit the subscribe? Click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Now, the next chord I want to show you is the G. There's several ways to play the G. You'll check it out in the PDF. But for right now, I want to show you how I play it. My 3rd finger is on the G. E string at the 3rd fret is a G. Second finger, 2nd fret of the A string. Way down here is my pinky on the high E string. When you're playing the G, you can strum all the strings. Be sure to get the PDF. It's the first link in the description below. And if you want to learn more chords, well, you have that PDF. Check this next video out. Click that because it's 5 easy chords you need to know.